Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When selecting a digital financial service, understanding the key features and offerings of platforms like Revolut and Wise is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Revolut and Wise offer account types that cater to different financial needs. Revolut provides standard, premium, and metal accounts. The standard account is free, while premium and metal accounts come with monthly fees and offer additional benefits. Wise offers a borderless multi-currency account that allows users to hold and manage money in multiple currencies. Spending and card usage. Analyzing card features and spending capabilities helps in understanding day-to-day usability. Revolut provides a physical debit card and virtual cards. It supports contactless payments, international spending, and single-use virtual cards. Wise offers a debit card that can be used for spending in multiple currencies at low conversion rates. Money transfers. Both platforms facilitate easy money transfers, but their approaches vary. Revolut excels in international money transfers with interbank exchange rates and no hidden fees, making it ideal for frequent travelers and expatriates. Wise specializes in international money transfers, offering low, transparent fees and real exchange rates. Savings and interest. Saving features and interest rates are important for growing your money. Revolut does not traditionally offer interest on standard accounts, but premium accounts include features like higher ATM withdrawal limits and priority customer support. Wise does not offer traditional savings accounts with interest. However, it focuses on providing cost-effective currency conversion and money transfers. Security and fraud protection. Robust security measures are vital for safeguarding user funds. Revolut employs advanced security features, including two-factor authentication, disposable virtual cards, and real-time transaction notifications. Wise provides strong security measures, including two-factor authentication, real-time alerts, and the ability to freeze and unfreeze the card through the app. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Revolut offers customer support via an app chat, with priority support for premium and metal account holders. Wise provides customer support via email, phone, and chat. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing finances on the go. Revolut, the app is highly rated for its intuitive design, offering a wide range of features like budgeting tools, currency exchange, and investment options. Wise, the app is praised for its simplicity and efficiency, focusing on core functions like currency conversion, money transfers, and account management. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers and bonuses can add value for new users. Revolut occasionally offers promotions such as cashback on certain purchases, and fee waivers. Wise typically does not offer promotional bonuses, focusing instead on maintaining consistently low fees and transparent pricing for all users. Conclusion. Both Revolut and Wise offer unique features tailored to different user needs. Revolut is ideal for users seeking advanced financial tools, multi-currency accounts, and additional perks with premium accounts. Wise, with its focus on low-cost international money transfers and transparent pricing, is perfect for those who frequently deal with multiple currencies and cross-border transactions. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.